concept number 6. It is when the HCF of each pair of n given numbers is A and their LCM is B, then the product of these numbers is given by A power n minus 1 into B, or HCF power n minus 1 into LCM, where n is the number of given numbers. That is how many numbers are given to us. Example is there are 5 numbers. HCF of each possible pair is 4 and LCM of all 5 numbers is 27,702t. What will be the product of all the 5 numbers? We are given that HCF, that is 4, and LCM also given, that is 27,720. And as we have 5 numbers, we will take n equal to 5. Using above formula, we get that product of all the numbers is equal to A power n minus 1 into B, where A is 4 and n equal to 5 and B is 27,720. On calculating, we get 4 power 4, 27 into 27, 720. We get the number 7096320 is the correct answer. Thank you.